Can you trace exactly how your forging supplier controls billet temperature, die wear and grain flow? Because if you cannot, you do not have visibility, you have risk. Hi, I am Rahul Agarwal from Presidec Forgings. I work with sourcing managers who want clarity, not claims, real proof of process control from billet to inspection. Let me share a 7-point cheat sheet to instantly judge how transparent your forging supplier really is. Number 1. Billet heating. Ask whether they are heating it on induction or gas fired. Look for digital temperature logs and infrared monitoring. Number 2. Die wear and alignment. Ask how often do you calibrate your dies? Expect preventive maintenance and wear tracking batch by batch. Number 3. Forging force control. Ask how do you maintain consistent flow? Check for closed loop systems or force monitoring records. 4. In process checks. Ask what happens after the first forging. You should see shift-wise validation reports. Number 5. Heat treatment discipline. Ask, are soak time and hardness logged? Trace every batch to its heat number. Number 6. Final inspection timing. Ask, are they do it only at the end or in line? Transparent suppliers perform NDT and visual checks before packaging. Number 7. Data traceability. You can ask, can I trace this report to the exact batch and operator? If not, that is your biggest blind spot. You skip these questions and you are not just buying forgings, then you are buying uncertainty. Failures, rework and finger pointing start where visibility ends. A real supplier does not hide behind test reports. They show you the process, the data and the discipline. If you would like a free copy of this 7-point transparency checklist, drop a comment or message me. I am Rahul Agarwal, helping sourcing teams build clarity, not chaos. Thank you. See you in my next video.